For many tourists, Dashi not only has fresh fish, there are many great restaurants as well. Among them is this seafood restaurant, one of the most famous ones around here, where foodies travel thousands of miles just to eat here. It's always super crowded during the holidays, and the kitchen gets super hectic. It's definitely one of the top choices for gourmets. Wow, I can't believe it. These ingredients are what I just saw at Dashi Fishing Port.
Yes.
But look at these dishes. Are they all from Dashi Fishing Port?
Yeah, they are all from Dashi Fishing Port.
This is
a lobster.
lobster porridge?
Right.
Whoa.
It just arrived this morning.
Wow. This looks really... It smells great.
Yeah, it has a nice chewy texture.
It's very chewy. I like this texture. Actually, my hometown is Boston's. Have you ever heard of Boston lobsters? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
That's because I have never heard of lobster from Dashi Fishing Port. Comparing lobsters from these two places, this one is relatively firm.
Yeah, the fish farm in the northeast corner is different because there is a Kuroshio passing by nearby. And due to the geographical environment here, there are many streams with large and small in these areas. Because of these large and small streams, there are many planktons. As a result, a food chain has been formed. The seafood here is exceptionally fresh and delicious.
Oh, is this kind of fish available all year round?
No, it's seasonal. In this season, like the spanner crab, it is in season right now. But when it is out of season, you probably cannot have it when you come next time, or it won't be this rich.
So the variety of food varies throughout the season.
Right.
The owner of the restaurant says, although Taiwan is surrounded by sea, but not every place is like Dashi, with such an abundance of marine life. And what she's most proud of are these dishes on the table. All of them come from the water surrounding Turtle Island. It's super fresh, and many customers become regulars just after one try. So now you know why Turtle Island is so important. It's one of the 3 major fishing farms in Taiwan. It is a landmark of Yilan, but I must say the charm of Turtle Island is definitely more than that. As for why, please come with me once again out to the sea. Well, next to us is Turtle Island again. But our trip was very special because it's very early. We are now waiting for the first light of the day.
That's right. We're here to see the sunrise.
Yeah, which direction will the sun probably rise from?
Here, this way. It'll come out soon.
Wow. Will it look like the scenes in the movies? The sun is coming out, growing up.
From the sea level.
Wow.
Because we are in Turtle Island, the Milk Sea here with the sunrise, you see a different view every day.
Well, do you mean the sun or the sea over here?
I mean the sun together with Milk Sea.
Oh.
Every time you look at it, it's so different.
The Milk Sea you talk about is the color of the milk in the sea?
Turtle Island is an active volcano. When it erupts, the sulfur comes out and mixes with the seawater and the water turns white.
So, is that the Milk Sea over there? Is that what I'm seeing right now?
Yes. The colors there are obviously very different.
The gradient of the Milk Sea is like the skirt of Turtle Island, driven by ocean currents, rendered into a miraculous painting. With the sun gradually rising, it looks amazing. I can't help but take out my mobile phone, record my emotions of the moment. Well, I am so lucky. Oh my God, it's over there. Look at that light shining on the surface of the sea. It's really beautiful, and I really feel like I am the happiest kid in the world. And then I'll be even happier later. I'm going to change my clothes, and then we're going to do some water activities. So I'm super looking forward to it, and let's do it together. Okay, I am not sure you have guessed it. The water activities I just talked about is in the beauty of the sea and the sky to SUP with currents. And such a trip, it's not only unique in the world, but also the best way to experience the charm of Turtle Island. Usually my balance is good, but today I'm not doing so well. And then that person is really professional. Look at him. He won't fall at all. But okay, I'm gonna try again. And the waves are difficult to predict. Okay, I have to say, because there are waves, it is really not easy to stand up smoothly. But as the saying goes, difficult the first time, easy the second. Actually, with just a few more practices, you'll be able to enjoy drifting comfortably in this incredibly soothing sea. Okay.
All right, grab here, foot here.
Oh, why does it
Careful.
feel extra shaky right now?
It's psychological, don't worry, because you've just been at sea, floating and swaying, then you're on the boat. It's more stable, so you'll feel the difference.
Yeah. It's really not the same as the last time when I went to Sun Moon Lake. I feel very different. The water surface at Sun Moon Lake is very calm, no waves at all, but this is my first time doing SUP at sea. Did you see it? Did you see me fall?
Yes, we were all laughing. Yeah, you brought joy to everyone.
Yeah, but I think what I've experienced is the most beautiful sunrise SUP. You can see the light blue colors, the dark blue colors, and you're right next to Turtle Island. It's beautiful.
But we're not done yet.
We're not done yet? What's next?
There's still a slide.
A slide?
Let me take you to experience.
I'm so excited. Whoa. 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 Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I gotta say, this is such a unique experience provided by Cloud9 Sailing Club. It's really cool, isn't it? It's super fun. As long as the waves are stable, it's really good to charter a boat out with some friends. In addition to being able to wander around on this azure carpet, if you can dive, the scenery under the sea is even more fascinating. Speaking of water activities in Tochen, don't forget Waiao Beach near Wushi Harbor. It is a mecca for surfing in Taiwan. Wow, I gotta say, looking at these pros going back and forth in the waves is super cool. So, since there are so many pros here, of course, I'm going to give it my best shot. Surfing looks super cool, but just to stand up is super hard. And the coach said because of the gentle waves in Waiao, it is very suitable for beginners to train here. So, as long as I practice more, I believe that it won't take long and I'll be able to ride the waves.
Okay, paddle.
This is a very challenging sport, but I think if it weren't challenging, it would be boring, right?
Yeah, it would be boring.
So this is, I think, a very interesting sport. Although I'm supposed to be a newbie, but because of you, I can actually stand up today.
You're talented.
Thank you. But I think I just saw over there seems to be some surfers from the national team.
Yes.
They're so good. So there are excellent players over here. Also, there are beginners like me, and there are children and seniors, people of all ages, are able to come here and enjoy themselves. This is really such a special place.
It's shallow, right? Pretty safe.
Yeah, so it's perfect for people like me. Beginners can come here. Even if you fall, you won't drown.
You won't get hurt.